Hey guys, today we're going to demonstrate how to replace your engine filter for a Subaru car. This one we have here is the FRAM Extra Guard CA9997 replacement filter. This filter is good for up to 12,000 miles to trap and capture dirt and debris without interfering with airflow. We'll show you in a sec how ours looks like after a year of usage, and then we'll go ahead and replace it with this new one. This replacement filter is compliant with a variety of Subaru models, including Crosstrek, Tribeca, Outback, and Legacy. Just make sure to check your model number to make sure there is the correct filter for your Subaru model. Okay, so let's go into the installation. We've already popped the engine hood up and we're going in to extract the old filter. You'll need to pop open the encasement and then slide the filter out. You will see in a sec how dirty this filter is and how much debris it has trapped. And here's a closer look at just how much dirt and debris this filter managed to capture. And then here's the replacement filter, brand new, and you can see what a difference. So we're going to slide it back into its encasement. Make sure it is inserted completely in, and then close the cover, making sure everything is sealed shut. And then that's it. That's all you need to do. Should be good for another 12,000 miles. I hope this was helpful.